Now let's look at this part. We are living on the earth. This is called the D.
D.
D basically here refers to the earth. Okay. The whole thing, if you write in Chinese, of the earth is the 地球. 球 means the round ball. So 地球 is earth. Okay. This is 球. 球. That's word. 球 means ball. Yeah, right there. 地球, yeah.
地球.
地球, that's earth. Okay, 地. Here it refers to the earth. Okay. 化. 化. 化 means transform. Okay. 化.
化.
化, not a 化. 化. Down here. 知昂长.
长.
Grow. Okay. 施安善.
善.
善 means kind. Kindness. Okay. Compassion. 仁.
仁.
仁 also means good. Kindness. 知. Now this word is this word. Okay. 种.
种.
种 means seed. Okay. Now let's learn that. 地.
地.
化.
化.
长.
长.
善.
善.
仁.
仁.
知.
知.
种.
种.
地化长善人之种.
地化长善人之种.
Read it together. It's very beautiful. 天不生无禄之人，地化长善人之种. It's very beautiful because it all matches. Okay. 天地 okay. 无禄之人，善人之种。生长不化. Yeah, it's very nice. Corresponding. Okay, let's read it again. 天不生无禄之人，
天不生无禄之人。
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 Correct. 地化长善人之种。
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 The earth transform and grow the seed of kindness. How beautiful that is. This is such a profound truth. If we always remember that heaven and earth and the divine and our creator are so much, caring and loving the mankind and want mankind to grow from the seed of goodness. Okay. So as long as we do the right thing, follow the law of the universe, the good seed naturally will grow up to be a beautiful tall tree and a beautiful flower. And each one of us we are fundamentally true, good, and endure. As Falun Dafa teachings, bring us this light, saying that, as a matter of fact, the universe fundamental nature is truthfulness, compassion, forbearance, sometimes just translated into true, good, and endure. And we are all originally true, good, and endure. Truthfulness, compassion, forbearance are our fundamental nature. So we are all good seeds. Every one of us are beautiful seed of kindness. It's all within us, okay? So on the earth, we will be able to receive everything we need to grow up strong and healthy, as long as we always remember who we are. We shall not allow the virus, the bugs, to eat us up and destroy us. When we believe in wrong ideologies, when we believe in, these four, I always say these four most evil ideologies, as I mentioned in yesterday's lecture. When we start to say, hey, there is no God, we are just from monkey. We want to struggle against each other and compete to survive. These are the evil ideologies of called atheism, no God, right? Thinking that you're not created by God. That's very deadly, because you don't even, almost like a child, don't want to acknowledge your mother. Even you don't want to acknowledge your mother, then who's going to help you? Your mother want to give you everything, but you say, you're not my mom. All the things you're supposed to receive are from your mama. But you don't want to acknowledge your mother. Your mother cannot give you anything. That's the reason you are so poor and you're so desperate, okay? First of all, you need to know that we are created by the divine. Therefore, always follow the divine's guidance. Okay, so say no to atheism and say no to evolution theory, called. We are not from the chimpanzee, ape. We are created by the divine. Read Master Li's lecture and understand where you truly come from, okay? Why mankind came to be. Definitely read this most important teaching that now is for all of us. Let us remember where we originally come from and why we are here to be a human being, for what purpose, okay? Now, the third very horrible, virus and evil ideology is called communism, okay? That's really the devil. The devil is telling human being that there is no God. We're supposed to build a earthly paradise, and through struggle and revolution and kill the rich and equalize the money. That is the most evil teaching, totally against all moral teachings. Okay, we're supposed to be here on the earth to do the right thing, and fundamentally first to be kind. Kindness is the true nature of our spirit. As long as we are kind, we endure all kinds of sufferings and hardship, our life will be able to elevate. That's the true purpose of we are here. We're here to wash clean of our karma. We're here to endure sufferings, and in the process of it, we elevate our spirit. And then we'll be able to guide it by the divine to return. That's the true purpose. Our Creator has planned this to save us. We're here to wait for our Creator to be saved. These are very important messages that the world people must understand. As a matter of fact, everything is already arranged for us to enter the most beautiful future. Everything is already taken care of. As long as we say no to all those deadly virus, evil ideologies, atheism, evolution theory, communism, and also all kinds of modern notions. Those horrible things that make that beautiful young lady, young high school student want to kill herself is because it's called homosexuality. Those are horrible modern notions. Okay, we have to say no to homosexuality, abortion, right? Euthanasia, all those horrible horrible modern notions that are turning good people into pretty much like devil's followers. So I think our moral lesson gonna keep on bringing up to our audience and our future students and the trained teachers and the parents, especially mothers, that tell our children to be kind. This is number one. The earth grows the seed of kindness, and the heaven has prepared the salary for every one of us. Don't struggle and fight with each other. We are given everything we need. Just relax and just be good, and everything will be just fine. Okay?